you guys. Today is August what, 22, and I wanted to show you my garden over here. Look, I have one tiny watermelon, one bigger one, and then there's one right there. You go to this other side, there's one about right here growing. Right there. There's so there's that one. That was the one, of course, the one that grew first. And then there's one right there, tiny one. And I believe I saw another tiny one. Oh, this one rot. Oh, poor little thing, that little black one. Look at that. Mama. And then we have here, these are a patch of strawberries. I know they're kind of late, but my husband bought them. I have my corn here. These over here are, one of them is blueberry, and the other one is a thorn, blueberry, I guess? Marion berry. It's doing well. Strawberries. And over here I have my big patch. I don't know if you guys saw, I had done this raised bed. I had a video for it, how to do it. And I had planned 4 things in this one, but only 2 of those 4 things were successful. I had planted here, I'm guessing because these are very viney plants and it's my first time planting, so that's how it went. I had planted here lettuces and they didn't come up to be. And then I planted the cucumbers, which they did come up. Then I planted carrots and they didn't come up to be either. And then I planted squash, and these only 2 of the plants, only 2 plants of squash came up. Cucumbers were a lot. Ew, can you see that? I see a snail. Ew, look at this. Snail. So now today I'm going to harvest a few of the cucumbers because some of them are really big and the snails are getting to them. So I want to get my crops first. And my squashes, they were looking so nice. Like right here, they're kind of like spread out that way because I was putting water because the flowers were getting filled with ants a little bit earlier. But I don't know if you guys are able to see. I have a few squashes right there. These are like the Mexican squash. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell. Like, look at that. And some of them are turning yellow, and I'm getting sad. And I don't know if there's a bunch of snails because there's a lot of in that cucumber where the snail is the one I was gonna get. It's a lot of leaves, and I think I need to harvest some so some other ones could live. Like this tiny one. Look at that. There's one more right there. And yeah. That is, over here is my tomato, and I only got 1 tomato out of this plant, and it's looking firm, and I can't remember what type of tomato this was because I didn't keep it on the same cat thingy here. I moved it, and I don't know why. I only got 1 tomato, so that does suck. So yeah, my tomato over there, like I was saying, and here I'm gonna get my cucumbers. So I'm gonna prop you in a place where I'm going so you're able to see me. And I'm gonna get my husband so he can see the snail business over here. All right. All right, I think that is good enough, right, Luna? We got a few, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two of them are kind of yellowish. Luna's mad because I threw this nail. Two of them are yellowish. This one's the biggest one, but I'm gonna see if I find more. Look, there's one tiny cutie one right there. Yeah, and there's another one there. I don't know if I should harvest this other two. They're kind of small, kind of big, but we'll see because it is getting yellow. So I'm not getting it. And that is it. I did harvest one more and I left the other one there, but it's a tiny one. But yeah, that is my harvest of cucumbers and the rest of my plants. Hopefully you guys like this video. Comment down below what was your favorite part, the snail on the cucumber or blabblish of Luna. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.